Hey guys, it's JauntyM back with another news item. So Xbox Live Gold makes three new games free for Xbox One and Xbox Series X players. That includes the Xbox Live Gold subscribers can now download three Xbox One and Xbox Series X games for free, courtesy of Games with Gold, and it's offering for February. While it's not quite the Valentine's month yet, the games have gone free early, which means right now subscribers can download Gears 5, Resident Evil, Indiana Jones, and the Emperor's Tomb for free without any hassle. Meanwhile, the month's other free games, Dandara and Lost Planet 2, won't be free until the 15th. As always, all these games are only available to download for free if you're an Xbox Live Gold subscriber. That said, while they are all free for subscribers, they won't be all free for the same period. While Gears 5 and Resident Evil will be free until February 28th, Indiana Jones and the Emperor's Tomb will only be free until February 15th. Once downloaded, every game above is yours to keep and play forever as long as you maintain an active subscription. If your subscription lapses, you will lose access to every game downloaded for free until you resubscribe back up. Before you can check out all the three games, this includes not only a trailer for each game. Yeah, I mean, the trailers on YouTube as well. You can look up all the trailers and everything. But anyway, this is a good news right now that people can get these three games. I'm not really excited, honestly, to be listening about Indiana Jones, Resident Evil, maybe, yeah. Gears 5, yeah, definitely. That's a very good game. So, yeah, I mean, this is a good deal for Xbox players right now that they can go ahead and download these games. So, with that, JauntyM signing out. You have a nice day. Thank you for listening and watching. Bye bye.